Hey, so if you want to organize your files in a smarter way in 2026, using metadata in Microsoft SharePoint is honestly a game changer. It helps you find, sort, and manage files without depending only on folders. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, go to your site and open the document library where your files are stored. Now look for the option called Add Column. This is where you create metadata fields like category, project name, status, or even priority. You can choose different column types like text, choice, date, or number depending on what kind of data you want to track. After that, start adding values to these columns for each file. So basically, you're tagging your files with useful information that makes them easier to organize later. Yeah, this is where it gets really powerful. You can filter, sort, and group files using these metadata fields. It makes searching way faster compared to digging through folders. You can also create custom views based on metadata, so you see only the files you need at a specific time. For example, you could view only completed projects or files from a certain category. Just make sure to keep your metadata updated regularly, otherwise things can get messy over time. So, yeah, that's how you can use SharePoint metadata in 2026 to stay organized and save time. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.